Hello and welcome to the Edexcel GCSE New Style Grades 9 through 1 paper. This is 1MA1/1F. This is the foundation tier. It's the first paper in the foundation tier. It's a non-calculator paper and we're picking up in question 14. The table shows information about the numbers of fruit trees in an orchard. There are 45 apple trees, 20 pear trees and 25 plum trees. The pictogram shows this information. Complete the key for the pictogram. Okay, so we've got the pictogram already. It's just the key we need to complete, and the key says a triangle represents so many trees. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 triangles representing 45 trees. So I make that one triangle is equal to 5 trees. So I'll double check that. That's 1, 2, 3, 4 pear trees, and 4 times 5 is 20, and that is indeed 20. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 triangles for the plum tree, and 5 times 5 is indeed 25. So the key is a triangle represents 5 trees. Okay, part B says there are 90 fruit trees in the orchard. Draw an accurate pie chart for this information. Okay, so 90 trees represent 360 degrees in a pie chart. So 360 degrees corresponds to 90 trees. So if we divide the 90 by 90, we get one tree is represented by 360 divided by 90 is 4 degrees. Okay, if that's not obvious, you could just divide 360 by 90, cancel the zeros. You've got 36 divided by 9. Hopefully you know that from your times tables is 4, but if not, you could then cancel the top and bottom by 3, so that you've got 12 divided by 3, which is 4. Or you could just think 4 lots of 90 degrees in a square makes up a full 360 degrees. However you want to do it, 360 divided by 90 is 4. So if one tree represents 4 degrees, then 45 apple trees times 4 degrees per tree is equal to 180 degrees. 20 pear trees times 4 degrees per tree is equal to 80 degrees. And 25 plum trees is equal to 100 degrees. Okay, if that's not obvious, 45 times 4 is the same as 90 times 2, which is 180. 20 times 4, well, 2 times 4 is 8, and then times 10, that's 80 degrees. 25 times 4, hopefully you remember that 25% is a quarter, so 25 times 4 is 100. Okay, so what you then have to do is get your protractor and try and measure these angles. 180 degrees, I hope you remember, is a straight line, so you just draw the straight line straight down. I can't put a protractor on my screen, but if I could, the 80 degrees would be just 10 degrees shy of 90 degrees. 90 degrees is a straight across, so it's a little bit less than straight across. And then the rest would be 100 degrees. And this is what the finished product should look like. You don't have to take the time to colour it in. That's just the software I used that drew the pie chart as coloured it in. But as you can see, this is a straight line, so these are the apples, which is 180 degrees. It is actually on the key here, but the apples are the 180 degrees, and I can even draw this in here. So this is 180 degrees. This is just a little bit less than 90 degrees. This is our 80 degrees. Which I believe was the pear trees. And it does say they're red is pear trees. And then the other one was 100 degrees, which is our plum trees. I hope that was helpful, and I'll see you in the next video.